And there we have it right there. Most beautiful treasure in the world, MT Treasures. We got our metal detectors right here, and we got a big area to hit. Let's see what we find. So I made the big plug, and once again I got a reading right here. So I figured we'd dig it up. Oh, point it again. It's pretty darn close right here. Back to the shoveling. Where did you go, my friend? Looks like there's something right in here. Uh-huh. What do we got here? Is that a little... Look at that. Will you just look at that? That could be a little musket bullet or something. I think it's right underneath here. So let's pop this up here really quick. There it is, you see? It's right there. What is that? That looks like a flattened musket ball. Oh my gosh. It is. It's a flattened musket ball. Look at that. Unbelievable. Can you believe it? So we're getting a reading right here. I guess I went too deep in. Might just be junk. Remember, it's always good to try your pinpointer out first before you might have just lost it. Might have it right on the top there. This happened earlier today. It's a mystery. What do you find? There it is. Small. This is when it's a good time to use your pinpointer. You know it's in the center here. You might need glasses for this. Wow. Maybe I find the tiniest piece of treasure ever. This is when I need M treasure. Is it this right here? Oh wow. No way. It is that. Can you believe it? Looks like another old musket ball or bullet, or maybe even a piece of jewelry, potentially fishing equipment, but that's insane.
Expected to put up some strong results. The stock has mirrored that this quarter. It's up 10% in the past 3 months, having spent most of the pandemic trailing the broader market. Is it time for some more catch-up here?
Are you? Oh, I'm sorry, Althea. Are you thirsty?
I started digging away here. I'm about 6-7 inches into the ground, and I can kind of see something. I got a reading right here. That's what I saw. What is that? You just look at it? Well, it's definitely a circle thing. Almost. For a second there, I actually thought that it was a watch casing. We're gonna have to clean this up when we get home and take a look and see what it is. Maybe it has something to do with horseback riding. This is in the same area that I found the musket ball, so some of the stuff we've been pulling up is very, very old. We'll take a look, clean up, and get back to you, but you can see why the metal detector was going nuts at a very strong signal, because they think it's a coin or a ring. Very cool. Can you believe it? Wow. So we just got a very solid reading here. I've cut it. Open up my plug here. And I'm already getting a good reading right here. So let's see what it is. And there you have it, folks. A nice square piece of scrap metal. Let's see you walk. Oh, that's really amazing. Come on. Stella, let's go. Nice walking, Stella. Oh, what do you smell there? Nice walking, Althea. What do you smell? Come on, let's go. Come on. Althea, good girl. That's a good girl. Come on, this way. This way, come on. This might be doing something here. I have to do some serious patching work after this. There's the metal. Maybe. I have no idea what it is, but I don't want to break it if it's something, well, I don't want to break it, but something really nice. Be a shame to break it over a root, not having the right tools, you know. Holy moly. Watch it be a treasure chest. How am I going to get this thing out? I always find it strange that when you find something like this, there's always seems like one root. I don't like to cut roots, but I kind of want to cut this one. Oh, something's moving. Whatever it is, it's big, isn't it? Oh, look at you. Safe. No. Something's out here, though. Holy smokes. What the heck is that? That is one big piece of metal. Heavy. I have no idea what that is. I'm going to bring that up to M Treasures and we'll wash it down. But that is heavy, whatever it is. Well, I think I might have gotten into some poison ivy trying to find M Treasures. I don't know what the heck this thing is.